Hi everyone, this will be the Showbie video on the iPad part that the students would use. So this is what the Showbie app looks like for the iPad that you can download free from the App Store. Once you download it and you have created and you sign in or sign up for free, and when you tap that it'll ask you if you're a teacher or a student, and when you select student, then you would sign up with username, and all I do is type like I did Kinder 1 for their student number for both username and password, and that way then I don't have to change this every year. So I'm actually going to sign up. I created an account that I use when I'm modeling for students, so I'm going to sign in with my account, which will look just like what the students have when they sign in. Well, that's not good. Let's try it again. There we go. So as you can see, my classes that I've created online and have signed them in are right there. And when you create a class online, you would go to this plus sign, and then you would type in that code. And from the code, the test class. From the test class, the code was 9URDL, and then you would hit join. And now you can see it has been added, test class. And then when they tap on it, you can see their test assignment opens up. And then here's where they would tap to download it. And now you can see here are the files, or the pictures that were in there. And fortunately, so, oops, it's not going to let me do it because of how it was copied. So along the top, you have some of the options they have. The arrows they tap to highlight. The arrows need to be highlighted so they can move between pages. When they tap the pencil, it allows them to write on the PDF. And there is a half little moon you really can't see, but when you do tap on that, it brings up color versions. Unfortunately, we don't have Showbie Pro, so the only color they're able to use is black, and this is the only thickness of the pen they're able to use. If they tap on it, it brings up a little bubble saying that they don't have Showbie Pro, so they're not able to use it. Next icon they have is the eraser, which allows them to erase what they have written. And then this is comments, where they can tap to add comments. Except it's not bringing it up right now. And then, but for my kids, I don't use the comments or the other feature here to create a text box. So I just use these first three options. And I use this, as you can see, the classes that I have. And then they would just keep going back to their classes. I use it for calendar math, and you can see my February is assigned. So when I open it up, I created a document in Keynote, and then I exported it as a PDF, so that this is what we do each day for calendar math. And they follow along on the smartboard with me for this program. I also use Showbie for math journals. Again, I have it created on the smartboard as well, but then they do their work on here. And I don't have them send their work to me. I'm able to just check their work as we're doing it in class. There is that option available to send, which if you are interested in that, I will go into that detail more later. So this is just a quick introduction to Showbie and how you can use it to use a little less paper in your classes, in your classroom. So If you're interested in more, we'll do some more on Tuesday and Thursday this week. Tuesday morning at 7:30 to 7:45, and Thursday afternoon from 3:15 to 3:30. So see you then. Bye.